Hi there, students. Scrumptious, an adjective, and scrummy as well. Okay, if something is scrumptious, it tastes delicious. It's got a really good taste. Thank you for that scrumptious meal. That cake you made was absolutely scrumptious. Okay, the lunch you served was utterly scrumptious. So notice I'm using it with extreme adverbs, yeah? Because it's an extreme. It's really, 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 it's the most tasty of everything. Yeah, the food is scrumptious. It just tasted really delicious, yeah? The taste was magnificent. Thank you for such a delectable and scrumptious meal. Yeah, we ate scrumptiously at the restaurant. There you go as an adverb. The scrumptiousness of the food was quite amazing. It was really tasty. It was absolutely yummy. And then you can also use the word scrummy as well. Scrummy is either a child's word or it's also more used by the British. Yeah, thank you for that scrummy cake you gave me. Yeah, the food was really scrummy. Notice scrumptious itself is informal, and I think scrummy is even more informal. So maybe I'd give scrumptious a 4 out of 10 informality. Yeah, I wouldn't use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. Delicious, delectable, very nice tasting. And then scrummy, probably a 3 in formality. It was absolutely scrummy. Yeah, I ate so much I had to sit down for an hour to digest the food. Yeah, so it was really appetizing. It was heavenly. Yeah, it was so tasty. It was so yummy. Yeah, it was so scrummy. Yummy, scrummy, yummy. Okay, there you go, a bit of alliteration. It was scrummy, yummy. Okay, so something that's scrumptious is something that's absolutely delicious. I'm going to make a really scrumptious meal for you. You're going to love it. Yeah? The food was so scrumptious that I just couldn't stop eating. Notice you can also use this to talk about how somebody looks. The girl said that my friend was absolutely scrumptious. Okay, very good looking, very pleasant to look at. But I think the idea is this is good enough to eat. She said he was the most scrumptious thing she'd seen on 2 legs. Very, very attractive, yeah? So good that, yeah, she wanted to eat him. Yeah, he looked scrumptious. Okay, so you can use it for that, but otherwise use scrumptious for foods. Scrumptious is talking about the taste. It's mouth-wateringly good. It's mouth-wateringly delicious. It was absolutely scrumptious. Yeah, it was so good that I made myself sick eating it. Yeah, that was a scrumptious roast. Yeah, yeah, a scrumptious ball dress. She bought herself a scrumptious ball dress in the shop. So here we go again, looking very pleasing, looking very nice. Yeah, the scrumptiousness was quite remarkable. Okay, so if you've got a scrumptious recipe, let me know. Okay, so formality, I said maybe 3.5 for scrummy, maybe 4 for scrumptious. And then as to the origin, maybe it's a word that sounds like sumptuous. Sumptuous, luxurious. Yeah, scrumptious, sumptuous. Yeah, they sound very, very similar. But notice originally this word scrumptious used to mean somebody that would mean very picky, very fastidious, somebody nitpicking, yeah, concentrating on complaining about small details. But I suppose if food is scrumptious, the chef has taken care to make sure all the small details are correct. They also use it to mean stylish or splendid and there's my example. A scrumptious ball gown. Okay, so scrumptious, delicious, really tasty, or really good looking, very handsome, very pleasing to the eye, very easy on the eye. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Scrumptious. That was scrummy, yummy, yummy, scrummy.